Today we are going to make 5 creative and beautiful DIY handmade Rakhis. These are affordable, easy and simple DIY Rakhis. Do watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. Do subscribe me at Aishmin DIY my channel. Hello my DIY addict. If you are new here, I'm Aishmin and welcome to my channel, Aishmin DIY. Now let's get started. The first one is the beautiful flower eraser handmade DIY Rakhi. We upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. The list of the material is given in the description box. If you like this idea, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 1. The second one is the handmade DIY car eraser Rakhi. If you find this DIY interesting, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 2. Now, the third one is the floral handmade DIY Rakhi. If you love this Rakhi, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 3. It's time for the 4th Rakhi. This angry bird DIY handmade Rakhi. Looks great. Then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 4. The last one is handmade DIY red flower Rakhi. you loved it, right? Tell me by hitting the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 5. Do subscribe me at Aishmin my channel, and hit the bell button. And don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is, which Rakhi you like the most? Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care, live your dreams.